Welcome to Audio Shelf. Today's topic is about the priority sector lending norms. It means provide credit to the needy sectors of the society. The sectors are agriculture, education, export, social infrastructure, micro and small enterprises, housing, weaker sections, renewable energy. Targets under PSL. Agriculture. 18% of ANBC, that is adjusted net bank credit. Out of this 18%, a target of 8% of ANBC is for small and marginal farmers to be achieved in a phased manner, that is 7% by March 2016 and 8% by March 2017. Weaker sections, 10% of ANBC. Micro enterprises, 7.5% of ANBC has been prescribed for micro enterprises to be achieved in a phased manner, that is 7% by March 2016 and 7.5% by March 2017. Overall PSL target for domestic bank or foreign bank with more than 20 branches, 40% of ANBC. Overall PSL target for foreign bank with less than 20 branches, 40% of ANBC to be achieved in phased manner. 2017-18 36, 2018-19 38, 2019-20 40. Categorization of MSME according to MSME Act 2006. Manufacturing sector, goods. The government has given a new turnover based classification of MSMEs in February 2018. As per this new classification, the MSMEs are categorized in terms of business turnover. This is in place of the previous classification based on investment made in plant and machineries if they are operating in the manufacturing sector and investment in equipment for service sector companies. As per the new classification, the same turnover based criteria have been applied for all type of MSMEs, including those operating in the services sector. Though the primary responsibility of promotion and development of MSMEs is of the state governments, the Centre has passed an act in 2006 to empower the sector and also has formed a Ministry of MSMEs. It was the Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development MSMED Act, which was notified in 2006, that defined the three-tier of micro, small and medium enterprises and set investment limits. The new turnover criteria will better suit with the GST network GSTN and other formats of segregating the MSMEs. The new turnover based classification of MSMEs. The Micro, Small and Medium Enterprises Development MSMED Act 2006 will accordingly be amended to define units producing goods and rendering services in terms of annual turnover as follows. A micro enterprise will be defined as a unit where the annual turnover does not exceed Rs 5 crores. A small enterprise will be defined as a unit where the annual turnover is more than Rs 5 crore but does not exceed Rs 75 crore. A medium enterprise will be defined as a unit where the annual turnover is more than Rs 75 crore rupees but does not exceed Rs 250 crore. Additionally, the central government may by notification vary turnover limits which shall not exceed thrice the limits specified in Section 7 of the MSMED Act. Other targets under PSL. Farmers with landholding of up to 1 hectare are considered as marginal farmers. Farmers with a landholding of more than 1 hectare and up to 2 hectares are considered as small farmers. SCB having any shortfall in lending to priority sector shall be allocated amounts for contribution to Rural Infrastructure Development Fund with NABARD. For renewable energy, bank loans up to a limit of Rs 15 crore to borrowers for purposes like solar-based power generators, etc. For individual households, The loan limit will be rupees 10 lakh per borrower. Export credit will be allowed up to 32% of ANBC for foreign banks with less than 20 branches in India. For education, banks can provide loans to individuals for educational purposes including vocational courses up to rupees 10 lakh for studies in India and rupees 20 lakh for studies abroad. Limits under social infrastructure. Bank loans up to a limit of rupees 5 crore per borrower for building social infrastructure for activities namely schools, healthcare facilities, drinking water facilities and sanitation facilities in Tier 2 and Tier 4 centers. Monitoring of priority sector lending targets. To ensure continuous flow of credit to priority sector, there will be more frequent monitoring of priority sector lending compliance of banks on quarterly basis instead of annual basis as of now. Non-achievement of priority sector targets. Scheduled commercial banks having any shortfall in lending to priority sector shall be allocated amounts for contribution to RIDF established with NABARD and other funds with NABARD, NHB or SIDB as decided by the Reserve Bank from time to time. The interest rates on banks' contribution to RIDF or any other funds, tenure of deposits, etc. shall be fixed by Reserve Bank of India from time to time. RBI revises priority sector lending norms for RRBs. Salient features of the guidelines. Targets. 75% of total outstanding to the sectors eligible for classification as priority sector lending. Categories of the priority sector. Medium enterprises, social infrastructure and renewable energy will form part of the priority sector in addition to the existing categories with a cap of 15% of total outstanding. Agriculture. 18% of total outstanding should be advanced to activities mentioned under agriculture. Small and marginal farmers. A target of 8% of total outstanding has been prescribed for small and marginal farmers with agriculture. Micro enterprises. A target of 7.5% of total outstanding has been prescribed for micro enterprises. Weaker sectors. A target of 15% of total outstanding has been prescribed for weaker sections. Monitoring. Priority sector lending will be monitored on a quarterly as well as annual basis. Note, the revised guidelines will be operational with effect from January 2016. Priority sector lending certificates, PSLCs. These are a mechanism to enable banks to achieve the priority sector lending target and sub-targets by purchase of these instruments in the event of shortfall. This also incentivizes surplus banks as it allows them to sell their excess achievement over targets, thereby enhancing lending to the categories under priority sector. All PSLCs will be valid till March 31st and will expire on April 1st. These are only 4 eligible categories of PSLCs, that is PSLC General, PSLC Small and Marginal Farmer, PSLC Agriculture and PSLC Micro Enterprises. The topic Priority Sector Lending Norms is complete here. Thank you.